Welcome to the second tutorials, and in this tutorials we'll be learning about shading tab, edit tab, and the world settings. So in shading tab, what happens in shading tab is that you'll be giving color to your object which you have placed in your scene view. So first let us go and figure out what is edit tab. Edit tab will quickly get into. So you have cube here. You want what else you can do with the cube. That's what so you can just go ahead and press Ctrl S or S. You can scale down and scale up your cube, and there is also an option right click and do it as subdivide. Go to subdivide. This is what you're doing in a tab. So there is one subdivide. So what happens here is it breaks your object into 4 or 5 pieces, which will be useful during your animations, and you can also break the pieces constantly, like making a cube into a different cube. So when you come back to object mode, it'll be as one object, but it'll be broken down into several number of pieces. So this is called as extrude region. So basically if you want to extrude a vertices, you can do it like this, or if you want to extrude a face, just going and extruding, so it moves front and back. So these are the helpful tools which we will be using during our animation and stuff, and sculpting also. And then if you want to edit a group of tabs, just control press and shift a group of tabs and pull it over, so it happens like that. So and if you want to invert your selection, press I. Oh, sorry, that's extrude. Press, excuse me for a minute, control I, sorry. Yeah, that's leaving whatever you have chosen, it extrudes. So there is one more tool called as bevel. Now let us get our selection and called as insert faces. This is not so helpful, so we'll go to bevel. What happens in bevel is it protrudes out or protrudes in your face if you want your face to be selected, or if you want your vertices to be selected. So let us move on to our shading tab, where you can give the color. So let us move on to shading tab. So what happens here, you'll be having materials, so you can change your base color, for example with that, or and also you can change your roughness of the material, making like a metallic look or something like that. You can give that also metallic, and we'll be doing more about this in the upcoming tutorials also. And we'll be also having a displacement where you can create your own surfaces, kind of a land surfaces. So then we'll move on to our old tab, going to our back to our layout. The most important tab most important thing you can do using a world tab is giving your world a color. I mean uh, reflecting your background of the object, making it dark. It's not reflected here. We are in edit tab, go to object mode, then you can view world tab background, and when you go to the render mode, and you can see that. So this is it for this tutorial. So we'll be meeting up for the next tutorials to do more fun stuff.